Hi guys, this is the Rolex that I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you how you can take it out the band and put it back. If you want a new band, you can change it. Yeah, let's go ahead and start it. This is the tool that I would like to use it. Right there. As you see, there's a groove here. Yeah, just as you see that there is a hole here, right there. There's another hole right there. So either way, whichever is easy for you, you can do this way or the other way. There is a pin inside, as you see right there. So right here, just push it down, and then after that pull this band right side or whatever. You have to pull it. Yeah, this is the one. Let's try and put it here. Push it down. Yeah, let's push it down and push it sideways. As you see, it came up. Of course, you will try this way too. This has come out, but this is the one also. You have to push it. Okay, then it came out. Right, like this. Here is the pin. Here is the pin. So this is the pin. So let it go inside. Yeah. Let's try to put it back. There is as you see, there is a hole here, and there is another place. There is another hole. The right here, this guy gonna go inside. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, as you see this side, you see this side, and push it in. Sorry, maybe it's not clear. But this side, push it in. Oh, shit. Yeah, pin it's gone. It flew away. So it's gone. I pushed it and fly. So anyway, it's you need to put just here and push it the pin inside. Now I have to find the pin. Yeah, it's so easy, but sometimes yeah, it's this way it flies away. Okay guys, hopefully you like this video. Is a way to take it out, but if I find the pin, I will show you how you can put it back. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it. Thank you.